Fluid Lock Liquid Sorbent is for water-based fluids and provides an unheard of sorbent capacity. 250 times its own weight. 1 pound will soak up over 30 US gallons of water. One 3-pound shaker carton, as seen in this video, will encapsulate over 90 US gallons. Just watch what this teaspoon of Fluid Lock will do. This amazing sorbent encapsulates this water-based chemical, eliminating any freestanding liquid, instantly turning it into a safe, rubbery gel compound that is easily picked up and disposed of, and so little was required. Fluid Lock truly encapsulates the liquid. The liquids are held in a matrix, which will not leak or drip back out again, even under pressure. Fluid Lock instantly works on all water-based liquids and liquid wastes, like cleaners, including alcohol, soda, milk, pet messes, blood, body fluids, vomit, and much more.